If you've never learned how to play music, sitting with a group of musicians using technical terms to describe their work can be a whirlwind of confusing, beautiful language. A similar situation can occur when speaking with artists who paint with oils. Suddenly you're in a conversation where they're debating the finer points of pigments, discussing the benefits of canvas versus linen, or sharing recipes for homemade gesso, brush recommendations, and a technique called wet on wet. The abundance of language that goes along with oil painting may feel overwhelming at first, but if you take the time to familiarize yourself with its terms and best practices, you will be on your way to using with the centuries-old medium with ease. If you're just starting out, don't expect old masters' realness from your first few artworks. Whether you're new to paint, or an artist who typically works in another medium, like acrylics or watercolors, it will take some time to learn oil paint's specific qualities, most notably its slow drying time and strict rules for layering. As with any medium, it's best to alleviate yourself of high expectations, and afford yourself room for experimentation and discovery. To learn more about the techniques, click subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you, and God bless.